RDS po o GRDS po issued by NAP. Yan. Aside from that, ganito yung nangyari, no? Before I proceed. Kaya nga, we have to take note on our RDS. Kasi there are lots of agency na kahit sa paningin namin, only those are non-records. Kasi let's say questionnaire, examine, no? Either NAPOLCOM, either PRC. Pag halimbawa, ilinagay nyo yan sa RDS nyo, kasi kung questionnaire lang, wala tayong data makukuha lang yan. Puro question lang yan. Pag linagay nyo sa naging RDS nyo, magiging official records yan. Doon na tayo nagkakaproblema dyan. Kaya nga, mayroong iba, pag mag-shred, hindi isi-shred agad yung question doon sa after examination. Kasi they have to ask authority from NAP kasi nailagay nila sa RDS eh. Merong agency yan. Hindi ko lang i-mention yung agency na yan. No? Pero pag wala, makikita nyo na after examination, is-shred nila question eh. Hindi to say, wala sa RDS nila. Pero pag nandun sa RDS nila yan, hindi pwede i-shred nila. They have to ask permission from them. No? Yan. Does it show how the event or will happen? Tayo. Tayo na. Ako nasa online. Tayo nasa face-to-face. Ano yung mga records na create dyan? That would be considered as official records. Kasi it talks about na merong event na happen. Saan yung venue? Hindi ko alam kung saan venue nyo. Siguro sa Tacloban mismo city. O meron bang mga law pertaining to that document, pertaining to that records? Yes, RA 84/7. Sa public records po yan. That public records considered as official records na office. So, what constitute official records? No, basic, no, created and received pa rin ng agency in the course of business. And these are evidences because of the policies and activities na ginagawa ng ating mga agency in the day-to-day operations. And these records contains informations. No? And some of this information can be used as evidence. So the time is 11:40 na, as what I have promised. But before I'm going to end my discussion is, I have points to remember on my discussion. As to the records management, we have to create records. Meaning to say, pag mag-create po tayo ng records, 2 stages lang po yan. Either tayo yung nag-create o tayo yung nag-create siya to nag-receive tayo. And only create and save those records or store those records into your file plan, which I will discuss this afternoon, if those are official records. Second, kailangan natin alamin na may batas pala as to the records management, as to the records under our custody. Because the records under our custody, we are accountable for these records. Why? Because these are public records. Sa Constitution, public office is a public trust. Now, this is my discussion. Do you have questions before we proceed to 1 hour break? Now, this afternoon, I would like to inform you that I need 4 groups. So it's up to the host. What are those 4 groups? No, up to the organizer at your end. Ano yung 4 groups? And you will going to create a file plan. No? You are going to create a file plan. So, yeah. So, do you have any question as to the first module, which is the RA 8470 and Introduction to Basic Records and Archives Management, which includes the creation of records? Meron po ba tayong mga questions, no? May question din that. Right, so any questions? Parang waray question. Waray. So kung wala tayong questions, Paano ba yan? Ako na lang kayo mag-questions. Ganito. Mostly ito yung mga tanong. Meron bang pag regional seminar ito yung tanong, meron bang nakasuhan under Act 8470? Babalik ko sa inyo, meron bang nag-file ng complaint for violation under Act 8470? Kasi prosecutor kayo eh. Pero kung titignan nyo yung batas, kasi kayo may knowledge kayo sa law eh. Some other government agency, titignan nyo yung batas, wala po kaming power, no, to prosecute yung NAP or kahit to implement na wala kaming quasi-judicial power po yung NAP, no? Meaning to say, the RA can be used as basis of filing complaint against an employee or official for violating Republic Act 9470. So wala. Yun yung mostly tanong ng mga government officers. Kaya lang nagtataka ako, ba't nagtatanong sila? Baka may na-violate sila. No? Joke lang yun, no? So, nagtatanong lang. Tatanong lang, sir, kasi baka meron lang kayong nakasuhan. Pag wala, continue kami sa business namin. Joke. So, yun lang. So, pag wala kayong tanong, sana magkita tayo mamayang hapon. Sana hindi kayo maboring. Wala kayong choice. Ako pa rin yung speaker nyo mamayang hapon. No? Magsasama tayo mamayang hapon. So pag wala, bigay ko kayo sa host nyo for your noon break. Thank you everyone.
Alright, thank you sir. So papasok natin si Sir Keith. So dahil very clear siguro yung discussions kasi wala nang tanong. Alright, so before we proceed to our lunch break, we'll be having the groupings muna. So let us count 1 to 4 na lang. Start at Ma'am Rhoda. 1, 2, 1. Doon, sino doon? Si Sir Ben. Okay, 2 ka sir. 2, tas may ilan pa doon? 4.
2, 3.
Okay, sige po.
1, 2, 3,
4. 1, 2, 4,
1.
1, 3. 3, 4. 4, 1.
Alright. 4 ka, 1, 2. Ganun ka, pareho ka.
So,
Ala
please
all.
remember your numbers. Kasi yun na yung magiging permanent group ni Ma'am. Right? Sir, okay na po ba yung lunch? Okay na.